BA first semester students, English Basic, Unit number 3, Environmental Issues. In this unit, I have covered the first chapter, the thrills of bird watching. And now I start with the second chapter, that is astonishing facts about littering. Astonishing facts about littering. Astonishing means ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯಕರವಾದಂಥ. ಲಿಟ್ಟರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಸ, ಲಿಟ್ಟರಿಂಗ್. ನಾವು ಬೀದಿ ಬದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೆಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಸವನ್ನು ಎಸಿತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಅದರಿಂದ ಎಂತಹ ದುಷ್ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಎದುರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛತೆಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋಂಥ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 20 20 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಲಿಟ್ಟರಿಂಗ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ particular chapter is telling about, and it relates the serious issue of protecting our environment by keeping our surroundings clean and hygienic, because the issue waste management has become a serious threat to our environment, and in the metropolitan spaces it has become a big issue of debate. This lesson creates awareness about the problem of disposal of waste material. So this is a very big problem in big cities like Bangalore, Delhi, Calcutta, Bombay and other cities as well. So that's why, what are the 20 facts, astonishing facts about littering? So coming to this chapter, I go through this. Littering is nothing but a piece of waste or rubbish that has been disposed improperly. So people never dispose the waste, the rubbish material, in a proper manner. That's what it is said here, without consent and at a wrong location. Just only they throw it somewhere on the road. Even if they see the dustbin nearby, they never go near. From distance they throw it so that it falls on the ground, on the road. Automatically it creates a lot of problem. Littering simply means throwing away objects on the ground. It is throwing away the waste objects on the ground or leaving them lying on the ground instead of disposing them at garbage can. So usually we see in the cities they kept the garbage can in every roads, but people, they do not go and dispose it properly in the dustbin. Just they throw from the distance. That's why it falls on the road. So recycling or trash container, the waste that originates from houses, industries, factories should be placed either in recycling bin or waste to energy plant or at a site meant for disposing garbage. So usually all municipalities have taken a very good steps to recycle the waste or dispose it by carrying on the lorry to a distant place outside the city. So this is what the responsibility of the municipality, to keep the place hygienic, neat and clean. So that's what they do. They take the garbage in a lorry, in a truck, and they go outside and they dispose it, and they also have some programs and some plans to open the recycling factories. So that's what they have done in so many places that we have read. So that's why littering can originate from construction and demolition sites. So what are the, I mean, um, actually where it forms, where do you find the litter? So littering or litter that comes from the places like these. I have mentioned litter can originate from construction area. It also comes from the demolition sites, and we have the household wastes and waste from the industry, uncovered trucks. And then Pedestrians means walking on the pedestal. On the footpath. They are pedestrians and moving vehicles. So all they form the litter. Apart from that, unavailability of garbage bin and being too lazy to walk till trash container are other reasons for littering. So unavailability of garbage bin. So sometimes they keep few garbage bins from in the city, from keeping it on a one road and keep leaving other roads and keeping one far away. So this is also one reason for the littering. So and laziness of the persons, that's also one very important thing. So that's why these are all the places and things they originate the litter. So that's why here I go through 1, 2 or 3 points here, astonishing facts. These are the facts. Because of these things we can control the, we can control this litter. Number 1, litter does cause severe accidents. So litter, it causes very serious accidents. All that it takes is for some trash in the road. Trash is nothing but throwing the waste on the road. So trash in the road, and it's a car accident waiting to happen. So because of throwing unusually on the road, it may happen the accident at that time. So whether it's because somebody drove their teeny Toyota Pyrus over a wooden crate on the road, or somebody swerves their RV to avoid the trash, you can indirectly cause a car accident by littering on the road. Car accidents lead to severe injuries and even deaths. So that's why by throwing the litter on the road, and the vehicles may met the accidents, and even cars, they skid and they met the accident. So because of this, it happens to an accident and for deaths. Second point is household waste, industrial waste, construction waste, and other like packaging waste are most common types of sources of litter. So the wastes from different types, from the demolition sites, from the construction site, and from the packaging sites, and household waste. So these are the sources of the litter. And I continue the remaining in the next one.